How do you factory reset your iPhone 16e so that it becomes like a brand new iPhone and all your personal data is wiped out? Well, you need to find the settings of your iPhone. If you don't see it there, go all the way towards the right side, tap on the top and simply type settings and open settings. By default, it should look like this. Then go down and select General. Once you're in General, go down and you should get Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap here and tap on Reset. And from here, down below, you should see the option Erase all content and settings. Tap here. It will tell you that everything will be removed. Press continue. It will ask you to input your Apple account password because iCloud will be deactivated on this iPhone. This way you won't be able to track it in the future. And this is it. After you enter your password, the iPhone will factory reset. You just have to wait. It takes less than 30 seconds. It will shut down, power on, and you'll be able to set it up as a fresh iPhone without any of your personal data. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.